Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a great phone case for your iPhone 13 Pro Max? Look no further. I am in love with this one from LOHASIC. It is their super nice leather style case, and I have it here in the black with gold trim, and I am completely obsessed with that gold trim. I think it looks so nice and sleek and elegant on my phone. Some things I really appreciate about this phone case, first of all, the really nice slim style. I love the feel of that leather material is really nice and soft, and it also is great for gripping your phone. I am extremely clumsy, but thankfully this has a nice grip so it's not slippery whatsoever. I appreciate you have the physical buttons for your volume, and also that you have a little bit of a buffer, a little lift there covering the camera lenses. So anything I can do to protect those is wonderful. Of course, it's super easy to put this case on your phone. You just go ahead and slide it off. It's nice and flexible, and you can just go ahead and put that back on. I also appreciate that it offers full body protection around the phone. So it's fully protecting it even around the power port and speakers. And this phone case is compatible with wireless charging, which is always a must. I love everything about this iPhone case. It is doing its job protecting my phone. It looks really nice and elegant, and it helps to maintain that original style of my iPhone. So if you are looking for a great case for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, I highly recommend checking out this one. I think you'll love it too, but that's just my point of view.